Pasta with garlic and oil or Primavera. Dr. John A. Allocca. September 12, 24. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. 6 cloves or more garlic, chopped. 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon oregano. 6 leaves or more fresh basil, chopped. 1 cup organic extra virgin olive oil. 1 pound organic pasta. Traditionally, spaghetti is used. However, any pasta can be used. Traditionally, 1 pot for cooking the pasta and 1 skillet for cooking the garlic is used. However, in this recipe, only 1 pot is used. Chop the garlic and basil and put them aside separately. Boil approximately 5 quarts of water in a 10-quart pot. Adding sea salt is optional. Add the pasta and cook for the duration suggested on the package. A few minutes before the pasta is cooked, remove 1 cup of water and put it aside. When the pasta is finished cooking, lower the heat to medium and pour the water out through a colander and let the pasta sit in the colander. Put the pot back on the heating element, medium heat. Add the olive oil, garlic, and black pepper. Adding sea salt is optional. Sauté the garlic until slightly brown. Don't burn the garlic. Add the basil and continue cooking for a couple of minutes. If you want to make Primavera, add those vegetables now and continue cooking for several minutes. Add the pasta. Stir and continue cooking for several minutes. Add the water. Stir and continue cooking for another several minutes. Remove from the heat and serve as soon as possible. 100 grams cooked pasta equals 22.7 grams carbohydrate. However, after the pasta is diluted by the oil and water, it may be more like 100 grams cooked pasta plus oil and water equals 16 grams carbohydrate. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on the Andromeda Connection, a journey to physical and mental wellness.